In this next video, we're going to talk about horizontal geometry spirals. So let's go ahead and zoom into the section on spirals. First thing I'm going to do, again, I'm going to set my feature definition to Geometry Scratch. And that's under Design, Design Standards, Geometry, and then Geometry Scratch. I'm going to toggle on Activate. And then I'm going to go into the Spiral Tools. If we look at our horizontal geometry tool palette, it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th row down. And the very first one is Spiral from Element. So I'm going to click on that. And if we look at the note below, it says use a length and end radius of 1,000. And so for the end radius, I'm going to put in 1,000. And for the length, I'm going to put in 1,000. Okay. Now I'm going to use the heads-up display. It says locate the element, so I'm going to locate this line right here. It's going to give me an option for offset. I'm going to use 0 again, and then I'm going to accept that. It's going to ask me for a start point. I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to swing it out to the right. Now, with this tool, I'm going to just zoom out a little bit. You can have it swing whichever up or down, or left or right, depending which way you're going with your spiral. So I'm just going to zoom back in. I'm just going to place a spiral like so. So that's all there is to placing a spiral from an element. Now we're going to move on over to spiral between elements, which is the next icon. And I'm going to just go ahead and use the heads-up display. It says locate first element, which is going to make it be this line right here. Again, it's going to give me the option for offset. I'm going to use 0. I'm going to accept that, and then locate the second element. So I'm going to pick that. Again, it's going to give me an option for offset. I'm going to say 0 to that, and accept it. And now I've got some solutions that I can cycle through. Again, it's the Alt key. I'm going to go with this one right here, and then at the end I've got some trim options. So I can trim none, back, ahead, or both. And I'm going to do both on this one, and there you go. So that's all there is to placing spirals with the horizontal geometry tools.